My teeth hurt. Let me check your teeth. Open your mouth. Ah! The tongue is so dirty. Scrape it clean first. Blow away bad smell and freshen your breath. Let's look for the bad teeth. The teeth with cavities are found. You are awesome! Let's find out more decayed teeth. More cavities are found. There are 3 teeth with cavities. Tooth extraction is needed. Extract the decayed teeth first. Drag the pliers up to pull out the decayed teeth. Put the decayed teeth on the plate. Apply anti-inflammatory ointment. Implant the false root. Scan the false root to make a tooth of appropriate shape. Connect stars to print a suitable false tooth. Apply the false tooth in the right place. Treatment is complete. Decayed teeth are all replaced by sturdy false teeth. Thank you, doctor. Brush your teeth thoroughly and scrape your tongue as well, so you can have healthy teeth. All done. Here's a badge of sturdy implant for you. Badges collected can be displayed here. My teeth are all crooked and they are not pretty. Let me check your teeth. Open your mouth. Ah! The teeth are so dirty. Brush them clean first. Spit out the foams when you rinse your mouth. Check the teeth. Drag the machine and aim at the stars to take a picture of the teeth. The teeth are all crooked. Corrective treatment with braces is needed. Cleaning gels can make teeth smoother. Clean away the dirty gel. Put the brackets in the right place. Attach wire to the teeth. Straighten the wire and your teeth will become even. Straighten the wire and your teeth will become even. Put the rubber band in the right place. Treatment is finished. Put on braces and the teeth will be in perfect alignment after a while. Thank you, Doctor. Brush your teeth regularly, even after you put on braces, so that your teeth can stay clean and even. Amazing! You've got a badge of even teeth. Badges collected can be displayed here. Oh, Doctor, my teeth hurt badly. Let me check your teeth. Open your mouth. Ah! Ah! Put on mouth gag and check the gums. The gums are a bit swollen. Anti-inflammatory treatment is needed. Apply lotion to wounds and swelling. Drag the machine to check the teeth. 2 decayed teeth are found. These 2 decayed teeth have small cavities. Dental filling treatment is needed. Dig out the black cavities first. There are a lot of bacteria coming from the cavities. Get rid of them quickly. Clean your teeth with water. The cavities are all cleaned up. Fill the cavities with fillings. Make the fillings hard with Blu-ray. The cavities are filled. Now polish the teeth. Treatment is complete. The bad bacteria are gone and the dirty cavities are filled. Thank you, Doctor. Remember to brush your teeth every day and rinse your mouth after meals so you will not get cavities.